How are you and Gab?
We're very good. Right, we still talk every day. Pero he's leaving in exactly 20 days. So, the problem is he doesn't know if he's going to come back. So, yun, nag-uusap-usap
For 2
na
years?
kami. Yeah, no, not 2 years kasi he's studying for 2 years, but he may want to work there after he studies. So, medyo, nag-uusap kami about that.
How do you spend your Valentine's together?
We spent a double date with his parents. First time daw na he ever double dated with his parents. So very special. And we also, during Valentine's Day, we met up with Tito Gary and Tita Angeli regarding this new music video that we did for them. So it's Tito Gary's new song and Gab and I will be in it.
So you're very open to his family or...
Yes, very.
Wow.
He's close to my family and I already got to know him.
For the record, Bakulin, how many years na kayo niligaw?
1 year.
Ah,
1 year this month.
Wow.
Wala pa ba talaga napapag-usapan na engagement or
Wala
something?
naman. Kasi maalanganin nga kasi he's leaving eh. So, even the relationship itself, para pinag-uusapan pa naman namin how to go about it if we should focus on ourselves first. Kasi medyo mahirap yung long distance. Lalo-lalo na kung hindi mo alam kung hanggang kailan.
Nalungkot ka ba na aalis siya?
Oo naman, syempre. Hindi ko lang pinapakita, pero nalulungkot din naman. And I plan to see him naman before he leaves para just at least to say goodbye.
Pero sabi niya parang you have the means naman daw. You can go there anytime you want to.
I can, pero I also don't want to rely on that. I mean, I have a career here that I want to focus on. I have my family, my friends, I have my life here. So, kumbaga, kung kaya, then I can. Pero, sa ngayon, I want to focus on other things.
What do you want to focus ba? Yung parang hosting, acting, or ano bang gusto mo sa showbiz?
Well, I'm a host now, but I want to try acting talaga. I really want to try. I want to try to be better at it.
Wow.
So you're so close sa Showtime, di ba? Hindi ka ba napipikon sa mga biro nila vibe sa'yo?
Hindi, kasi lahat naman kami ganun eh. Kahit, behind the scenes, ako palagi inaasar sila Kuya Kids, sila Jukes all the time. So, lahat kami ganun.
You heard about what happened dun sa sa production ni Anne? Napapag-usapan niyo ba yun? Na, di ba?
Ano pa, yung sa
sa Slit. Oo.
Pero I saw a picture that she posted na parang parang swimsuit type siya. So, okay naman. I think naman, kasi she told me then once about it na parang she had the mistake of not securing herself once. And she told me then, don't ever make that mistake, di ba? Kasi pag nandyan na, wala na, di ba? So I don't think naman uulitin niya yun.
Are you willing to wear yung mga ganyan na klaseng clothes once sa mga productions?
I can't say never, but not now. Yeah.
Ikaw ba kayo?
Mukha pa akong bata.
Ano sa mga sa men's mag? Open ka to do that?
Yung mga sexy, huwag muna. Siguro if ever like I will show my tummy, yung mga women's health, yung mga ganun, yung mga wholesome pa rin. Because I'm really not ready kasi for that. Parang hindi pa ako tapos sa level na to. I don't wanna jump to that level.